In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in Wix Forms. Whether you're looking to enhance your form with a simple checkbox for terms and conditions or allow users to tick options, you'll find this tutorial easy to follow. Let's begin by opening your Wix site in the editor. If you're working in the classic editor or the new Wix Studio, rest assured the steps are quite similar. Once your site is loaded, locate the form you've already added to your page. This could be anything from a contact form to a custom form. Simply click on the form and you'll notice that a toolbar appears alongside it. Now on this toolbar, you should see an option labeled either as Form Settings or Manage Fields. Either will work depending on the version you're using. Click on it and you'll have entered the zone where all the magic happens. Once you're in the settings, go ahead and click on Edit Form. This option will lead you to more customized features that you can tinker with to better suit your form's needs. Next, you'll want to look for the section labeled Add Form Fields. This area gives you access to a variety of elements you can add to your form. What you're looking for here is the checkbox option. You're going to scroll through until you find it. Once you've located the checkbox, click on it and drag it onto your form. You can place it wherever it makes the most sense for your form's layout and purpose. Now let me give you a quick tip. As you're placing your checkbox and configuring it on your form, remember to consider what kind of information you want to gather or confirm from the user. This is often the spot where you may want them to agree to your terms and conditions or perhaps select multiple options from a list. Once you're happy with the checkbox and its position in your form, go ahead and customize its label. Think about what makes it clear and descriptive for the users. For example, if it's a terms and conditions agreement, you might want to use something like, I agree to the terms and conditions. And there you have it, a neatly added checkbox to your Wix form. Don't forget, after making these changes, always preview your form to ensure it looks exactly how you want it to your users. Hit the preview button, interact with your form, and if all looks good, you're set to go live. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insightful guides. See you next time!